Hello YouTube, Francis here. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make $1,000, okay, teaching what you already know, okay, in Nigeria and anywhere in the world, okay, wherever you are, you can literally do this, all right. Now, I see a lot of people sending me messages about they want to make money online, and when you ask them what their vertical is or what their niche is, okay, they're going to be saying they don't have any niche, or they can literally say they don't have any skills, okay, because to make money, if you have a skill, you can make money on demand, okay. So you can use your skill to render a service or to create a product and sell that. But if you don't have any skill, it will be very, very difficult, okay, for you to monetize, to create income stream for yourself, okay. But in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to unlock what you currently know, okay. As you all know, Dean Graciosi and Tony Robbins is currently doing a program, okay, helping you make money with knowledge, okay, with what you currently know, which is what I'm also going to be sharing with you guys right here today, all right. So you're going to be monetizing what you currently know, like building a skill or identifying that thing you already know, okay, with your current state. Let's say you don't know what you feel, okay, I don't know anything, I don't have a skill, I don't know what I can do to make something for myself or to create a product, okay. So today's video, I'm going to share with you guys, or I'm going to be helping you unlock that thing you currently know, all right. Everybody has something they know or they are specialized in, all right, and today I'm going to be sharing that with you. Now, if this is your first time on finding me online or watching my videos, my name is Francis Abogonya and I'm currently in Abuja. I share entrepreneurship tips, I do make money online methods, and I document my journey on YouTube, okay. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, click the bell notification icon, that way you get notified whenever I come up with new videos or any video at all or whatsoever, okay. So with that being said, let's dive right into the video of today, okay. Now so I get this messages a lot where people say they don't have a skill, okay, and they don't know how they can monetize what they currently have, okay, which I'm going to be telling you right now, okay, because I don't want this video to be too long, okay. Everybody have something to offer. For example, we have different languages in Nigeria. If you understand your native dialect very well, or any language at all, and you know you can communicate that to somebody, or you can teach somebody that, okay, trust me, you can monetize that, okay. Now, if you're on YouTube and you mostly watch a lot of YouTube videos, you might have come across a girl called Summer, I think Summer Ako, right? Okay, she speaks a lot of pidgin online, okay, and in one of her videos, she said something about she created that YouTube channel so that people can, let's say the white people or Europeans cannot easily understand what she's saying in pidgin, okay, so she can speak as much pidgin and say whatever things she wants to say, all right. But she used to get these messages from so many Europeans also that she thinks that it doesn't understand pidgin English. They used to tell her that we understand what you are saying, okay, because they've been learning, all right. So you can literally teach your native dialect. Imagine somebody, I have not seen this actually, but somebody can actually teach pidgin English, okay. Somebody can create a course around pidgin English and teach it to people who want to learn pidgin English, that are in Europe or people in the US who want to learn pidgin English, okay, and monetize that. You can charge between $50 to $100 for your pidgin course, okay, and every single month, if you're getting about 10 sales and your pidgin course is about $100 and you're charging about, you're getting like 10 sales every month, okay, using free traffic, you'll be making up to $1,000. That's very, very simple to do, and a lot of people knows how to speak pidgin English very well, so they can monetize that. Actually, if you know how to speak pidgin English, you can get on the trend right now, or you can jump on that, on the online education, okay, and teach other people how to speak pidgin English and become their mentor in that and monetize that, okay. It's that simple. I myself, I teach a lot of people some of the things I know, though I don't have a course, I don't have a program right now, but the program I'm running, or what I'm currently running, is mentorship, okay, one-on-one coaching, and in a month I mostly get about $150 to $200 to $250 every month just doing that, talking to people about what I currently know, okay. And I don't even take that as a business, it's just something I help people with, okay. I'm not even serious with it, okay. But if I really want to take that because I have something serious I'm doing, that is why I don't want to take that as a business or as an income stream. I just use that to help other people, okay. So you can literally teach people what you know and make money while doing that. And you can do this wherever you are in the world. You don't have to complicate things and think that, okay, to make money online I need to do one special thing or push one magic button. Okay, no, there's no magic button. You can create your course using Teachable. Okay, Teachable is free. They have a free program, they have a paid package, they have a free package also. Okay, so you can start with the free package, or you can use Kajabi, okay, or you can use ClickFunnels, okay, to create your course or to build membership website and charge people for it. It is very, very simple, and anybody can literally get this up. All right, which is not so hard. Anybody can literally do this. All right, so charging between $100, $50 to $100 is doable for what you currently know. Now, I see a lot of people who knows how to read the Bible. Okay, I see so many people who understand the Bible very, very well. Now, I'm not saying you should go and monetize religion and all that, but you can educate people on the meaning of some certain areas of the Bible if you know it very well. Okay, then maybe monetize it with ads, okay, or maybe sponsorship. All right, or people can support your channel, and by so doing, you have something doing. You're creating an impact in the world, and you are helping the lives of people, and also people can support you in the process. By so doing, you can make money from that also. Okay, so that is something I think anybody can literally do. All right, the basic one I think you should do is, if you don't have anything to do, you know a language in Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria is a very big country. We have a lot of people outside that are interested in our languages. Teach people what you currently know. If you know how to do a particular handcraft, okay, you can teach people that also. Okay, whatever you know, all right, you can create a course around that and value it between $50 to $100. Put a lot of value in it. Okay, make sure the course is worth about $500 per sign up. Okay, then put a very big discount on it. Okay, make sure it is of high quality and high standard. Okay, then you can monetize that. By so doing, you can make money online. All right, now there'll be a link in the description if you want to learn how to master this. Okay, learning from Dean Graziosi and Tony Robbins. Okay, you can click that link, okay, to get on a free webinar to understand how to get this done the right way, okay, and how to monetize it the big way. Now they're trying to make knowledge the new norm, okay, because self-education is growing very big, and according to Dean Graziosi, which he said, the Forbes published an article saying the knowledge industry is growing to $1 billion a day. Currently 300 and something million, but it's going to $1 billion a day, which you can jump right on, okay, and make money from sharing, impacting the lives of other people. Okay, impact other people's life and make money while doing it. I guess that's fun, right? So if you're new to this channel, my name is Francis. If you find any value from this, let me know that in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up. If you learn anything new, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about this in the comments. Okay, I would love to know your thoughts in the comment section of this video, and subscribe if you're brand new. Until next time, I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Bye bye.